السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Welcome all of you in Learning Arabic Language series. What is our lesson today?
Our lesson is about letter dal.
Letter dal, it sounds like D in English, from where this letter is produced.
Yes, they have the same sound, dal and da. It comes from the tip of the tongue with what comes up of inside the ridge of the teeth. Say after me, dal.
Dal. Could you give us letter dal with the slashes?
Of course. دال فتحة دا دال كسرة دي دال ضمة do. Say it with slashes now. دا دي do.
Da, di, do. These were dal slashes sounds. What about examples of letter dal with slashes in words?
Here we are. We have for dal فتحة dalu as English word pocket. Dalu as English word pocket. We have for dal كسرة ديك as English word roster. Deek as English word roster. We have for dal ضمة dub as English word beer. Dub as English word beer.
These were some examples of letter dal in words with slashes. Could you give us some examples of drawing letter dal in beginning, middle, and at last of the word?
Okay, we will have some examples of drawing letter dal in beginning, middle, and last of the word. Letter dal in beginning looks like this shape. It is in a word دولاب as English word cupboard. دولاب as English word cupboard. Letter dal in middle of the word looks like this shape. It is in a word مدرسة as English word school. مدرسة as English word school. Letter dal at the last of the word looks like this shape. It is in a word أسد as English word lion. أسد as English word lion. These were all about letter dal. I hope you enjoy the lesson.
These were amazing information. Thank you.